Hello everyone, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to do a Savannah tops haul, that too under 700 rupees, and all of these tops are not so basic but going out tops which you can wear to a party, brunch, or while going out anywhere. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first top is the top which I am wearing now. This is really a pretty corset top. It's in pink color. I picked up the pink color, but it also has like other colors, so you can decide which one you like. But I like pink color, so I picked up this pink color. It is really cute. It has a wire detail around here, so it's a really looking like a corset. It's not like that fake corset, so I would say it's really pretty. Here we have this lace detailing around the sleeves, and you have this tie-up ribbon, and around the and at the back also you have this tie-up detail which you can tie up according to your preference. If you want a little bit loose, then you can loosen it up, or if you want a little tight, then you can also tighten it up. So, and the price of this is 1000 rupees, but you can get more discount because Savannah has this coupon going on their apps. For like if you do 3000 shopping, you can get 600 rupees off, and like that only. There's a member sale also, like on Wednesday and on Sunday also, so you can get it on a discounted price. And I have styled it with this white skirt, long white skirt, and I really like this top. It's really pretty. It's giving that cottagecore fairy vibe. And the material, oh yeah, I forgot to talk about the material. So the material is also quite nice. It's really thick, and the fabric also is really shiny, so it looks really pretty. So many times I have told pretty, but this top is really pretty, and according to the price, I think so it's really good. You can consider it. So now let's move on to the next product. So this is the next top. It's a white long top, and it has this ruffle thing going straight till the ground, and from here it's transparent, but from here it has fabric inside it. So but if you have a really heavy bust, what should I say, so if you have that, then I should size up a little bit because it will not fit you. I think so, like this, but otherwise it is looking really pretty. It's giving some cool girl Pinterest inspired top. This is how it looks from back. From back also it has that long fabric going on, so it has this two fabric, one in front and one in the back. And now let's move on to the next. Oh wait, the price, I forgot to tell the price. So this top is for 650 rupees, and the fabric is also really great. It's really soft, and I saw it on many creators wearing it, so I think so you should definitely consider it. So now let's move on to the next top. So this is the next top. It's an animal print top. Oh my god, this is my first animal printed top in my whole life. And I think so this is a leopard print top or cheetah print top, I don't know that much, but it's looking really pretty, and the material is also quite soft, and it is not transparent. It has a lining inside it in brown color. Yeah, the color is brown, and it also has this separate scarf which you can wear it anyway, like this or like this, but I'm going to keep it like this because I like it in this way. But by the feel, look, and the thing, I think so it's really great, and for the price I think so it's worth it. And the price, yeah, I forgot to tell the price. So price is 550 rupees, and my size is extra small. In all of the tops my size is extra small, and if you want links with it in the description, so please check it out. I have made a reel too. If you have not followed me on Instagram yet, then I have provided link in the description, so please follow. So now let's move on to the next product. So this is the next top. It's a really pretty floral tube top, and the price, it's only for 400 rupees, and the material, quality, fabric, it's almost everything is really great. It's really soft and it's look really pretty on me. It's looking really pretty on me, and it will look pretty on you too. And the fit is also really great, and my size is extra small in this too. It has a pink color flower roses all over this top, and it's looking quite great. It's giving that soft girl aesthetic. If you are, or if you have a soft girl aesthetic vibe, then you should definitely check this product out. And now let's move on to the next product. So this is the top. It's a butter yellow top. Like butter yellow color was trending last summer, and I think so this summer also it's going to trend. Like I have seen little bit of it on Instagram, but we should talk about this top. This top, it has a tie-up detail over here, and it's sleeveless from here too, and I think so it looks quite cute. Yeah, but the fabric is little bit thin compared to the other tops, and the price of it is really less. So the price of it is only 350 rupees. Like it's so affordable. And I think so you should give it a try if you like butter yellow color. And this is also Pinterest approved top. I have seen it on Pinterest, and yeah, it's good. What should I say more about this top? It's really pretty. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.